Hey everybody, it's Tony with Blacktop Magazine. We're here at the historic Main Street Garden Grove Car Show. I got Steve Clark here, and he's got a really nice 67 Camaro. And, well, you guys want to hear Steve talk about his car. Steve, tell him about the car.
I bought it 50 years ago when I was in high school. Pretty much kept it the same. It's been repainted and everything, but it's all original. It's emblems, everything. The way it is how it was.
Well, I noticed the seats are different. You have a little story with that.
Yeah, I took the seats out when I was a kid and put high back buckets in it. And then when I was putting it back together just a couple years ago, it was like, I can't have these high backs in it. So it's time for some short little bucket seats.
Right on. Well, it is a beautiful car. Really appreciate you bringing it out to the show.
Yeah, you're welcome. Love driving it.
All right, that's the
Thank
best
you, Tony.
part, right?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Pinky Swear, and thank you for watching Blacktop TV.
All right, thank you for watching that fuel-fed feature. Want to see more? Be sure to visit blacktopmagazine.com. And while you're there, subscribe to our e-newsletter.